Does a non-compete agreement expire if you are fired or laid off? Or same for like a material change or a merger?
This is a wonderful question. The answer is at the root of it, no. It doesn't expire just because you're fired. It actually will, if you have one, it will tell you that this will continue regardless of how you separate from this company. Whether we ask you or you tell us, either way, this non compete continues. Now, the area of non competes is exploding. Um, there are companies, I dealt with one of them because my client was being laid off, where they were very enlightened. And they said, their agreement said, we have a non compete. It goes for 2 years, it covers the United States, and we might not care. But if we do, we're going to pay you as if you were working here to sit on the sidelines for 2 years. That's really a good idea, I think. Because how many employers really care about the competition? Well, if a contract provision like that's in place, we're going to find out. That's expensive. But B, the state of New Jersey has a bill pending, which I'm not saying it's going to pass so quickly, but it's posted as a potential law that does exactly the same thing. And it really cuts the guts out of non competes. It says it only applies to certain layers of workers. Can you imagine this, Ken? A few years ago, New York City told the people who were frying French fries in McDonald's franchises, if you go across to a different employer, you're not allowed to fry their French fries because why? We have a proprietary way of doing that, and we don't want you giving them our work product. That's ridiculous. I don't think a judge in the universe would ever uphold that. But the mere fact that companies are thinking of these things, it
Mm-hmm.
got the New Jersey, whoever sponsored the bill, thinking, what level are we really trying to protect? Is it intellectual property, trade secrets, kind of high level stuff that's really dangerous? Or are we going to allow judges to enforce them just because they say you have to sit out? It's a vicious area to uphold because it basically means in the most important area of your career practice, you're out of work. You can't do it. Now, if they say 10 years, you know, the whole world, and you've been working for a mom and pop store, that's not going to be enforced. I don't care what it says. That's non-enforceable. But there are some that will bite